Hello everyone, this is just an update of my last video. I felt it's important to make this video because many of you guys are investing your money in this modification but wasn't satisfied with the results and were facing problems with the wiring and the focus of the light beam. So in this video I will be explaining how you can solve those problems. So let's get started. So I'm explaining it again. The black with yellow line will directly connect to the stock socket of the same color. Let me show you here. And the red with yellow line will connect directly to the red with yellow line coming from the LED cluster. Now the completely red wire and the wire now the completely red wire and the red wire with the black line coming from the LED headlight, they both will connect to the red with black wire of the stock socket, this one. Now we are left with two wires, purple, black with purple line and the completely brown one. We don't need these two wires, so just cut it off completely, it doesn't matter. We have to extend these two wires, black with purple line and the completely brown one. I am extending the brown one with a completely red wire and the black with purple line with a completely black wire, so that we can give proper connections to each one of them. To make this build more clean, I have connected a male H4 bulb socket from an old LED light, but it's a little bit tricky. You might need a multimeter to get the connections right. The color coding of this one, the completely black one is going to connect to the ground, the black with yellow line. The red one is going to connect with the red with black line, and the white is going to connect with the red with yellow line on it. And the yellow one is connecting to the red with yellow line, and the rest is the same. You can just cut these two wires off, they are of no use to us. Now put everything inside the head and leave this two wire that we extended earlier outside to give the connections. The black wire that we extended is the RPM wire. We have to connect it to the fully black wire of the speedometer socket as shown in the photo. It's number 11, which is on the left side of the yellow wire. You have to strip down the black wire and insert it in this hole. Now to adjust the focus of your headlight, you have to cut the stock headlight bracket like this as per your requirements and bend it forward. You have to fill some material in between, and to keep the distance between the handle and the speedometer minimum, you can also cut and reduce some material from the bottom as well and weld it back nicely. But there are some limitations. You can't reduce above 3 to 4 mm from the bottom, but on the top you can cut and bend it forward and fill some material in between. This is a permanent solution for this problem. You can also make custom bracket that can lower your headlight, but it will ruin the look of your bike. This is how it's going to look after reducing some material from the bottom.